What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to quickly show you how to turn any image into black and white on your iPhone. So this could all be done from the Photos app, so you're just going to open your Photos app and get to the photo that you want to change. And then once you tap on the photo, you should see a little button in the upper right hand corner where you could edit. You're going to click that. And then from here you see a little icon in the dead bottom middle. It's like 3 little circles, they're slightly different colors. I just clicked on it, as you could see. And if you scroll all the way to the right, you could see that there's 3 different black and whites. You could choose from either the mono, the silver tone, or the noir. Each gives a different black and white effect depending on what you're looking for, but they all give a black and white and will give you no colors other than that. If you found this tutorial confusing or need any help with it, feel free to comment below and I'll be sure to help you out. Otherwise, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.